What up, what up, what up? It's your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. That's right, y'all. It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. I hope all is good. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves and made some money. And I hope you're ready to study so we can be prepared to make some money the week to come. So, with that being said, guys, you already know how I go. I'm going to talk to you about three stocks that I think could print and make us some money if the market is bullish over the next couple weeks. And spoiler alert, I do think the market is going to be bullish over the next couple weeks. So, with that being said, you already know how I go. Veterans of the channel, go down below, like the video, drop a comment. Every time you do, your support helps my channel grow, and I appreciate that so much. Also, watch this video from beginning to end. When you watch from beginning to end, you're going to learn throughout the entire process, and the YouTube algorithm is going to love me, and for that, I love you. And if you're new to the channel, you're interested in options trading, I'm your boy. I'm the options boss. I'm going to give you the game from A to Z and let you know how the thing go. What you need to do is you need to go down below, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and click all notifications. And when I drop these Get Money Jewels, YouTube is going to make sure you get it first things first, right off the press, so you can put these game plans and strategies right into play the very next day, as soon as the market opens. Now, guys, told y'all, I already think the market is going to be bullish, and I want to have my premium options Discord positioned to eat off this bullishness. And not only that, guys, because you subscribe to my YouTube channel and because you watch the content, I want you to learn and I want you to be positioned to eat off of these plays. Now, you might have heard me say my premium options Discord. And if you're new to this channel, that's right. I definitely do have a premium options Discord. So what you want to do is you want to go down below in the comments, and I am going to leave a link to my premium options Discord in the link. Click the link. The Discord is absolutely free to join, mingle, talk stocks with the boss, talk stocks with the rest of the team, and just have a good old time. And also, I'm going to leave a link down there so you can sign up for my small account challenge. We started the small account challenge early January. Is off to a great start. We're green so far this year, and I'm looking to really build that account. We started the account with $500, and we are up right now. I want to say over 40% on those accounts, and I'm looking to make it even more this week. So definitely go down there and click the second link and join the premium $500 challenge. I would definitely see you guys in the Discord. But you already see I'm on the charts, guys. That's what this channel is all about. It's all about charts and teaching you what's going to happen, how you can have an idea to prepare for the market. So the first chart that I am bullish on, guys, I will show you is ticker symbol QCOM. Guys, we're talking about Qualcomm. Obviously, we love Qualcomm. We trade it a good amount of times. Now, if you go over here on the chart, I'll bring my mouse in. You'll see I got this green line right here, and I got that as a nice little support area around 108. And then you'll see if we go up a little bit, I got this red line right here, and that is a resistance area, and we got that around 123. Now, guys, if you don't know about support and resistance, drop a comment and tell me you're not really familiar with it all the way, and I'll be sure to make a future video talking to you guys about support and resistance and the importance of it. But that being the case, though, in this case, for those that do know, resistance right here, 123, I got it at 123.50. And what I'm looking for is I am looking for QCOM to break over this red area right here. You'll see this last green candle right here. If I can get on it, I'm going to show you guys that candle opened at 118.42, got as high as 122.96, got as low as 117.34, and closed at 122.90. So it closed towards the very top, right? Now, above 123.50, I like QCOM to get bullish, and I like QCOM to make a move to at least that 127-ish area. That's where we was talking about today when I did charts with a few guys from my premium Discord. We had a live chart session. It was very informative. Got to talk stocks with my guys, got to learn a little bit, got to teach a little bit, and that's what it's all about, right? So that 127 area, if that's my target, I could possibly get 126 or 127 calls. And when I get those calls, I already checked out the delta. The 127 calls as of now, obviously it'll change before open. The delta was around 23, and that's a pretty nice number. If you get several contracts, you'll make good money on a $1 move on the stock. And if you're not familiar with delta, I got a link talking about the Greeks to a video that I recently made. I'll link that video right up top. You can click on that video and watch that video to get yourself a better understanding of the Greeks. But looking at the setup, guys, I do not want to lose sight of the fact. With this setup right here, you got that good support in that 108 area, and you got this good resistance around this 123 area, but we do look like we want to retest and break through. Now, another reason why I'm confident we want to retest and break through, if you look at the RSI, which I got my mouse on right here, the RSI right now is at 58.83. So we do have room to the upside right there. And if you look down even further, you'll see the MACD is bullish. And the MACD at the very bottom where I got my mouse is, you'll see the blue line cross up above the yellow line, and that is a bullish signal. So right now, QCOM is in a bullish state. I like how it's set up. It's right there next to that resistance. If it breaks through, we could definitely get a push to 127 at the very least. And I want to be positioned to eat off that, and I hope you are too. Also, guys, we got another one I'm going to show you, and that is going to be ticker symbol. Let's see if I can pull it up for you guys. ADBE, guys, that is Adobe. Now, when we look at Adobe setup, guys, it is a very nice setup right here. So I'm going to start with the obvious by telling you guys, if you look right here at this blue candle, you'll see this blue area right above that candle, that blue highlighted area. And what that is a gap fill. So Adobe is currently in the gap. And what I mean by in the gap is you'll see if we go back right here where my mouse is, right here, you'll see this big drop, this big gap between this candle right here and this candle right here. So now Adobe is going back up, trying to fill that gap. When stocks go up or down and have a gap to fill, 98, 99% of the time that gap is filled. So now we're here at this candle. The top of this gap, if I can show you, the top of that gap would be the bottom of that original candle that I showed you guys. And that was, let me see here if I can get over there. That's around that 305, that 365 area, right? So you look at this candle right here. This candle right here, which was the last candle, opened at 343.27, got as high as 357.42, got as low as 342.76, and closed at 356.38. So it closed towards the top. What I'm looking for is anything over that 357.50 area. Anything over that, and we have a chance to fill that gap above to that 365 range, which is an $8 move. That's a nice move off Adobe. If you can get in and fill that gap, you'll definitely make yourself some good money. Again, I always talk about the RSI. The RSI right now on Adobe is 63.35. Nice RSI. Still has a little room to the upside. Nothing to fear there. And the MACD, if I go down here, you'll see the MACD went down and it bounced to the yellow line, and now it's curling back up again. So now that the MACD is curling back up again, I'm even more confident that we can make a run to fill that gap and possibly even challenge this 200-day EMA, which is around 373. That's not out the question right now with the way Adobe is set up if we have a bullish market. So I got my eyes on QCOM. I got my eyes on Adobe. If you're in my Premium Options Discord, you already know how we're going to play these plays. If you're not in my Premium Options Discord, you definitely need to click the link and get yourself in the Premium Options Discord, because I'm looking for us to have a big week this week, and I would love for you to have a big week with us. Now, I also want to show you guys one final play, and that play that I want to show you guys, and of course I'm going to give you the why, is none other than ticker symbol NVDA. That's right, guys. We're talking about NVIDIA. So now, when you look at NVIDIA, you're going to see why I like this play. It's a great, great, great setup. So right here, let's start here. If I can get my mouse over right there, you'll see we got the break up out of the falling wedge, right? And then we came back and retested the falling wedge, which we fell through, but we recovered it. Once we recovered it, we came through this key area right there around, what's that? That 165 area. And since we have held strong, even with a couple red days. And that 165 area is also very close, 167 to be exact, to the 200-day EMA, which we have held that. So now you'll see we pulled up over that 165 area. We pulled up over that 167 200-day EMA. And then we had back-to-back red candles, and we still was above those areas. So what that basically tells me is that the stock has now turned that resistance into support. And again, if you're not familiar with resistance and support, definitely let me know and I'll make a video and I'll get you guys familiarized with it real quick, because that's what I'm here for, to teach you guys the game and to help you make money on your own. So you see that hold of support right there, which means the resistance has turned into support. And then right off of that, what we get the bull candle on Friday. The bull candle, I will show you, opened up at 170.11, got as high as 178.56, closed at 168.25. Got as low as 168.25 and closed at 178.39. So it closed towards the very top. You combine all of those aspects with the fact that the RSI right here is at 63. So it's hot, but it still has a little room to go. And then you got the MACD, which is super duper bullish right here as well. You got a MACD set up that's strong. You got good support right there. You have a chance to run up right here. And if this thing runs up, you can definitely see, if the market is strong, us challenge this candle right here. And this candle right here has a high, I'll show you, of 187.90. So that could be a target area. This could be a scenario where NVIDIA runs up to that 187 area and maybe it pulls back from there. Maybe it keeps going depending on what the market is doing. But again, I want you guys to see why I like to play, and I want you guys to see why we're positioned. Now, a couple of these plays, because you're in the Premium Options Discord, we already got the cheat code. We're already in these plays waiting for them to pop. You guys, because you're not in the Premium Options Discord, you got to get in Monday. Hopefully it don't go too crazy pre-market, but nevertheless, you definitely want to be in these plays, assuming they hit your key levels. Now, the key level for NVIDIA is that high of that candle, that 178.56 area. So I like it above 179. Above 179, I would definitely jump in, and my target would be that 187 range. That's a nice move on NVIDIA. Could definitely make you some nice money. Guys, if you eat off any of these plays, drop a comment. Let me know you ate. Let me know. Get a boss a shout out. Guys, get yourself in the Premium Options Discord ASAP. It's going to be a big week. I don't want you to miss it. Listen, you can always be a boss with the options boss, guys. You already know I'm a holler when I holler.